Hi, welcome to the future of customer support. Did you know the number of businesses using AI chatbots are expected to increase by 34% by 2025? Why? Because it provides quick and consistent responses 24/7 without any scalability issues. That means you don't have to keep your employees occupied to answer basic repetitive questions. And secondly, 70% of businesses wanted to train their chatbot with their internal information. That is now possible with conversational AI. Let me show you a dental clinic appointment booking chatbot that answers user queries, provides information about the services they offer, and also books an appointment in real time without any human intervention because it is directly linked to your calendar. And yes, it is completely customizable. If you run a multi-specialty hospital with multiple departments, then it will have different training information as well as different calendar integrations for every department that you have. That's the kind of automation you get when a developer builds it for you. Hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal and welcome to the fourth automation of our 100 automation series at Rohini AI, where we build workflows and AI agents that run on autopilot. More about me and what we do at the end of this video. So this is the website for Denticare and our chatbot is deployed right here. So this is the most basic way we can integrate the chatbot at your end on your website. But this can also be integrated over your WhatsApp, Instagram and other social media handles as a direct DM automation support. So now let's start the conversation. Of course, it starts with greeting you and let's say I have a toothache. It comes up with a response and let's say that what are the services that you offer. It can also handle spelling mistakes, of course. So this is the price list. Actually, we can also integrate it in terms of cards if you want to show images. And let's say that I am interested in the dental checkup. So it will first try to get the information to really book the appointment. It needs our name, of course. And it is also asking for our phone number. Now, it is directly fetching the available time slots from the integrated calendar of Denticare, and we see that we have 3 available slots. We can also extend it to have more options, but let's say that tomorrow 4 p.m. works for me. So in the back end, it has confirmed the appointment and also sends you a confirmation email. So the business gets a new entry in their calendar and you get a confirmation email with the details. So how was it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Mohit Mrinal and over the past 7 years, I have built myself into an IT wizard. What does that mean? I have built over 15 plus full stack web development projects, 10 plus Flutter application projects, worked as an IT consultant at United Nations for a year, did my formal education in bridging the gap between IT and businesses from VU Vienna, and developed over 30 plus AI tools before finally starting my AI automation agency at Rohini AI. What makes us different? First, familiarity with the business processes and applications. Second, we build tailored AI solutions for you that are integrated to all the other services that your business might need. And third, and the most important point, a developer who speaks business and really cares about your business. Book a discovery call from our website today and see you on the other side.